Scoil Acla 2024 continued a tradition spanning over a century, where the organisation has been at the heart of fostering traditional music, arts and language in Achill and beyond. Attendees and their families from across Ireland and the globe came together to share in the vibrant festival atmosphere carefully nurtured during the week. The summer school was officially opened on Monday night by renowned artist Joni Madden of Irish traditional supergroup Cherish the Ladies.
Officially launched. Let's have a great week.
The opening was followed by a special concert headlined by Cherish the Ladies and friends, ably assisted by the All-Ireland Flacchole 2023 champions, the Piper's Cross Ceilidh Band. The opening night set a high note for the week of music, culture and community ahead. Maris Gná bhí affran na féile mar bhuach huinse álan na seachtaine, creilta beo RTE Radio na Gaeltachta agus meán sosialta Scoil Acla ó hépéal Nevpáric. Míle buíochas de ahar ó Uiri, teagas cóirí Scoil Acla, grúpa cheol sépéal an Folly, agus gach duine a ghlach fort. The opening mass was a beautiful start to the festival, followed by an Ihe Cuimhnachán, a night remembering two giants of the Irish language, Sean O'Haley and Fiachra Magown. Our 2024 artist-in-residence, Teresa O'Grady, visited the various classes throughout the week and fielded questions from students on what it takes to be a professional Irish musician. Scoil Acla is known for its wide range of workshops, from sean-nós dancing and singing to basket weaving and quilting, and of course our Irish language classes. On Monday, the popular Joni Madden conducted a sold-out whistle masterclass where she passed on some tunes and her vast knowledge to attendees, both young and not so young. The trad session trail is one of the highlights of the week, where musicians of all levels gather to play and enjoy the crack agus ceol in some of Achill's local pubs. Our trad ar an thrá music sessions for beginners and improvers drew large crowds in beautiful sunshine against the stunning backdrop of the Minnon Cliffs. The week was filled with some healthy rivalry also, including our annual Hata Acla competition, where musical groups competed for a scholarship to our 2025 summer school and other prizes. Our packed out Thrá na Gceist as Gaeilge in Gíltí's Dua was yet another huge success, and an enjoyable evening was had by all. Congratulations to all the winners. The sold-out recital in the unique and historical setting of St. Thomas's Church in Degurt was a musical highlight as always, with some wonderful local and visiting talent. A very special event took place on Thursday night of the festival, where friends and family came together to remember a remarkable Mayo musician and Scoil Acla tutor, Noel Kilkenny. The night was filled with laughter, music and a tear or two, a fitting tribute to somebody so sadly missed, particularly across the Mayo music scene. Workshops like African drumming and creative writing continued to bring diversity to this year's programme. On Friday night, our vibrant Ceol Curram na Féile festival concert saw tutors and visiting artists perform to a sold-out audience at the Wavecrest Hotel. The 2024 festival closed as usual with the annual Éireacht at Lourdes in Dua. The flag was officially raised by Scoil Acla stalwarts John Twin McNamara and Paddy Ryan to the sound of pipes and drums from Achill's pipe bands. Students then had the chance to showcase what they had learned throughout the week in front of their family, friends and the Achill community. It was a fitting end to yet another successful week of music, song, dance and culture. Gura míle maigh to all who participated, and to our venue providers, hospitality providers and the entire Achill community for making this year's Scoil Acla one to remember. The committee has already begun planning for 2025, and we cannot wait to see you all next year for our special 40th year celebrations, which will take place from Sunday 27th of July to Saturday August 2nd. In the meantime, please keep up to date with Scoil Acla by signing up to our newsletter via our website, and keep an eye on our social media channels. Slán go fóill.